Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an email signature with WiseStamp, complete guide step by step clearly. To create an email signature with WiseStamp, first, visit the WiseStamp website. Click on the Get Started for Free button on the homepage. You'll be prompted to create an account using your email address. After signing up, log in to your WiseStamp account. Once logged in, you'll see the option to create a new signature. Click on Create New Signature to begin. You'll be guided to a signature template editor. In the template editor, choose a design that fits your style. Begin filling in your personal information such as your name and job title. Add your company name, website, and any relevant social media links. Customize your signature by selecting colors and fonts that match your branding. You can also upload a profile picture or a company logo to enhance your signature. After entering all your details, you can preview your signature. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you are satisfied with your signature, click on Save. Next, WiseStamp will provide you with a code to integrate your signature into your email client. Copy the code provided for your email provider. Open your email client settings and navigate to the Signature section. Paste the code you copied into the Signature field. Save your changes in your email client settings. That's it. You have successfully created and installed your email signature with WiseStamp. Now, every email you send will feature your new professional signature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.